10课 We have an old musical instrument. It is called a clavichord. It was made in Germany in 1681. Our clavichord is kept in the living room. It has belonged to our family for a long time. The instrument was bought by my grandfather many years ago. Recently, it got damaged by a visitor. She tried to play jazz on it. She struck the keys too hard and 2 of the strings were broken. My father was shocked. Now we weren't allowed to touch it. It is being repaired by my friend and my father's.